Hello and welcome to Fuzz Rides. And मैंने तो हेलमेट भी पहन ली और उसके बाद पता चलता है कि कॉफ़ी है।
कॉफ़ी पीते पीते ही कर लेते हैं व्लॉग, मोटो व्लॉग।
One thing I did notice is that this windscreen is actually vibrating a lot. Welcome back to Fuzz Rides. Oh man. Okay, ooh, that's a nice Jaguar. Come on. As you know, this is Sharjah. And I live here. And then from here, I could just go to Dubai. Usually 99% of the times it's using the car. Not 99, at least 90%. I go by car. But sometimes I feel like, okay, I need to ride. I need to ride my motorcycle. So, yeah. And I know a majority of you guys are watching from India. You don't know anything about UAE, but then you will know. Watching my videos, you will know everything about UAE. Wait, what the? She's just crossing the road. Good Lord. This is the second time I've seen this happen in UAE. In fact, you don't see that. You have zebra crossing and you cross the road. And in the UAE, there is always traffic, especially Sharjah, Dubai. When compared to Abu Dhabi, Abu Dhabi has traffic, but it has got this grid system, just like New York, Manhattan. So in this grid system, they can move around every road. In fact, every single road. They can just take their cars and move in and out of every road. So when it comes to places like Sharjah, Ajman, Ras Al Khaimah, Al Quwain, they are the hotspots for most of the families because it's kind of peaceful. And unlike Dubai, because Dubai is like chaotic. It's like you wake up, you go to work, you come back home and sleep, then again wake up, go back to work. This is how the lifestyle of Dubai really is. And then you have ultra luxurious lifestyle in Dubai, which you will find in all of social media everywhere. That ultra luxurious lifestyle is for those who already have enough money and they have accumulated wealth and they are investors and stuff like that. So basically, you get a lot of those people here in Dubai. They invest in properties, gold, whatnot, businesses, and these investors, they live a decent lifestyle in Dubai. And all of them are like millionaires. There are a lot more millionaires in density of a city compared to almost anywhere in the world. Only probably it is next to Hong Kong, but it's one of the primary destinations for all the millionaires and billionaires in Dubai. When I ride this motorcycle, I get those touring vibes, you know. If you guys remember, I used to do a lot of touring back home in India. But ever since I came to UAE, I stopped. Lincoln. This is a Navigator, by the way. And I love this car. This is so luxurious. It's like huge from inside. and it's packed with leather, wood, you name it. It's really nice interiors. If you guys want to see it, I will show you the video. That is on my other channel, by the way. So yesterday I wanted to just go check out some gear for myself, like helmets and stuff like that. So basically what I thought is like, why not buy AGV helmet or something. And no, I can't go there because that's a yellow line, and I don't want to break the rule, especially because the traffic on the right shoulder, that's going to be fast, and all of this traffic is because of this one lane. Check this out. All of these guys who are on the other lane, the second lane, trying to join, they're just cutting the line. I've seen this guy, Traveler, from, he does a lot of motor vlogs as well. So he's a Pakistani dude with a German passport or something. His name is Abrar. His channel is like Wild Lens with Abrar or something, and he talks in Urdu only, and he has got a decent following. Very, very good following, in fact. And he travels around the world on his motorcycle, and I think he uses this bike. I mean, it's BMW G310. That's the same bike that he's riding. Yeah, this is a good bike actually for long rides and stuff. See how much of traffic does Dubai really have. All of this traffic is inside Dubai. Even though it has like so many lanes, 6 lanes over here, and still you have a lot of traffic. 3 more lanes over there, and then there is another lane over there. The one solution of this is like, if all the offices and businesses follow 2 different times, like say 7 o'clock in the morning till 5 o'clock in the evening, and then the second time should be like 12 o'clock in the afternoon to 8 o'clock in the evening or 9 o'clock in the evening. That way the traffic will be far less compared to the usual. But then that's just an idea. I have plenty of ideas like that. That's the Dubai airport, the Dubai International Airport, and you can see all these Airbus A380 standing. This truck has to come in between, right? And my favorite plane of all time, like the favorite, is that one, the one with the blue tail. That's my favorite. It's like all kinds of colors, and it is not the usual Emirates airline type. It's kind of really beautiful from outside. I don't know about the inside because I've never been in one. Because Emirates A380 especially, they don't go to India using these aircraft, like big ones. So A380 is the biggest one. Look at this one. He just turned. Have people like this who don't care, really. They will simply put the signal and then they will go. Idiot. I can't curse him, but yeah. There are lots of idiots on the road. And I'm not on his blind spot, by the way. If you're thinking that I'm in his blind spot, no. He was behind me. Then he came right next to me, and then he came into my road, my lane. Wow, beautiful. Did I capture that? Oh my god, that's a beautiful one.